Son. Now that you've had a basic grounding in natural magic, you can expand your horizons by reading more about herbs and their many magical applications. A short recommended reading list is consisted of at the end of this guide, in addition to tables of correspondence for simple reference to the magical homes of picked herbs, necessary oils, and incenses. You can also, of course, experiment on your own and produce spells and rituals, beauties and oils, and teas and bath recipes to suit your specific requirements and choices. The possibilities truly are limitless. Simply make certain to investigate any herb you're not familiar with before using it for any purpose, to prevent any possibility of unintentional harm due to toxicity. And do not forget that books, online resources, and herbal experts are not the only sources of information about herbs. The plant kingdom itself can interact with you straight if you'll only listen. The next time you're at a farmer's market looking at plant starts, or even just standing in the spice section of the grocery store, peaceful your mind and open up to any specific herb that might be calling to you. You simply might be amazed at what you hear. I sincerely hope you've delighted in taking this course, and I hope this course will assist you take important initial steps into the world of herbal magic. Whether you consider yourself Wiccan or witch or any other variation, you're more than welcome here. I hope you can affect your life in a favorable way by practicing organic magic and all other variations of spell work. Be patient, practice lots, and trust your abilities. Like with any activity, it can spend some time to accomplish results, and magic is no different. With the correct time, energy, and perseverance, the results will come. I make a point of ending all of my courses with the following mantra. In Wicca, I think there is no right or incorrect, just analyzes. You, or a different author, may have different analyses to my own. Make your own mind up. Although most witches commonly accept the descriptions of the herbs I've utilized, maybe you disagree. Possibly your intuition tells you that a specific herb would benefit you in a completely different method. That's terrific, and I say feel free to experiment. The more you check out, the more you'll comprehend the wonderful residential or commercial properties of the herbs that intrigue you. This will assist you accomplish the outcomes you desire from your spell work. In the meantime, however, it's time for me to bid farewell. I genuinely hope you enjoyed discovering natural magic with me. I wish you all the very best with your spell work, and I hope that magic has an incredibly positive influence on your life. Thank you one more time for reading. Blessed be.